Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Please join quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
कहानी कैसे बोलेंगे? ओ आ गई चपेट में। हाँ, रेखा मैम का बहुत तबीयत खराब है। हाँ, रेखा मैम का। और पुष्पा सिन्हा का भी तबीयत खराब। बोलेंगे कैसे? कल से हो जाएगा। कल से हो। Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now let's start the topic. We were in chapter forest, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday Yesterday we had discussed about deforestation and consequences of deforestation. Now, children, do you remember? Have you read that topic? Did you all read it? Yes or no? That means
Ma'am,
you have
can
not
you-
gone through.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
just a recapitulation.
Ma'am, what did you say?
Deforestation means cutting down of trees on the large scale. Then what are the consequences? Result. Every activity will give any result. So here, consequences of deforestation, the carbon cycle, the water cycle, the soil erosion, silting of water courses into lakes, rivers and ponds, extinction of species and desertification. Means these all if we are going to cut trees on the large scale, all these activities which are dependent on the forest will get disturbed. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you have any question to be asked regarding these topics which we discussed yesterday? Any question, children?
No,
Or
ma'am.
should we
No,
just
ma'am.
proceed to other topic?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then we are coming to some common trees in India. This is your next topic, that these are the common trees and they are very, very useful, beneficial for our Indian environment. First of all, and they are also related to some of the other mythology. Like the national tree of India, banyan is considered to be the national tree. Why? First of all, it is so beneficial that it is a huge tree, very large tree, and it releases large amount of oxygen also, and the roots are so penetrating, it can survive for a longer period of time. So it gives very useful components like habitat of certain animals, birds. Then it has got incredible, you can say, length of time, survival is much more larger. And then after that comes your teak. Teak is also a most popular tree of India, and it has got its medicinal value also, and it is also used in many of the you can say furnitures. Very good furnitures are made from this teak tree. And after that, the bark is very, very useful for tonic, making health tonic, and it is, although it is very bitter in taste, but it is very, very useful. Then comes your neem tree. Children, we often see neem tree in our surrounding, and it is full of, you can say, utility. Like it has got medicinal value also. If it is dried and kept in the clothes or boxes, then it just avoids the growth of insects, germs. It can act as a repellent. Then it is also just situated at the focal point in the village, and certain meeting at the ground level, which villagers decide, they sit over there, shade of the neem tree, and it also, as it also gives, you can say, purifies the environment. It is purifying the environment, and it has got good medicinal value. Like some of them, if we are suffering with the skin diseases, we say that the neem leaves should be boiled in water, and if we take bath from it, then it can be cured. Then comes your eucalyptus. It is a very tall and evergreen tree, and it is 700 species of eucalyptus are found all over the world, and it is mainly used as pulpwood. And it is this pulpwood is used in the manufacture of paper industry. Then comes your deodar or Himalayan cedar, which is found in Western Himalayas and Northeast and North Central India. Then it is corniferous, and it has got the height of 40 to 50 meter. The trunk is of the diameter of 3 meter. Then it is crowned with dropping branch. Then comes your sal. It is a large subdeciduous tree, means it is and it is worshipped also by the Buddhists, and Hindus also worship sal tree because it is used in the. It is mentioned in many of the scriptures in Buddhist or Buddhas, and they all just have this story that Buddha was born and died under a sal tree. So for them, it is very, very, you can say, it is according to their in form of worshipping. They worship or pray to this sal tree. Then it is almost found in all parts of India. Then amalthas. It is known as the golden shard. So children, the alternative name also you have to remember, because these questions are also asked, and not for the question also, you for your knowledge also you have to remember and learn. Then it is also known as ornamental. Although this amalthas is also serving as a medicine for many of the skin diseases. It has got its medicinal value. Ornamental means those plants which are used for decorative items. They are known as ornamental. Ashoka tree, it is known as sorrowless tree, and it is a flowering tree, and it is sacred for Indians and for Sri Lankans, and it is prized for its beautiful foliage. Foliage means the flowers and that you can say means it is very beautiful in its look wise. It is very beautiful. So children, this much is there in your this chapter. Do you have any queries, question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
How to study?
No, ma'am.
First of all, you will know the name. Yes, bolo. Anybody has any
Ma'am, what
query?
is the English meaning? Ma'am, what is the English meaning of neem?
Neem. Neem, you just remember in that way, because it is an Indian tree. That is why it is not given any other name. And Ashoka is also a tree which is found in Indian climate. So that is why maybe some alternative or some botanical name may be given, that I will let you know later. Clear? If it is there. But we generally call it neem. Okay? So the method to remember, like banyan. Banyan is known as burger. But in neem we have not heard till now. But if you are asking, I will try to just find out what it actually means in English. Then here, first of all, you will make one column and write the name of all the trees and its importance. The way to learn name of trees, its importance. In this way, You can make the column like banyan. What will you write for it? What will you write for banyan?
Banyan is the national tree of India.
National tree of India.
Banyan is the
Banyan is the national tree of India.
Then second one is your teak.
Teak. Teak is the most popular trees of India and which is used for making furniture. Teak is mainly used in making of furniture and doors.
Teak has medical value.
The importance which is you can say the most important thing for that particular tree or plant, you will note that. Okay, make a column like this and note down in your copy, and that will help you to remember the name of the tree also and its importance. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is your homework to be done. ये आपका homework है, copy.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
Now let us come to the question answer. Just all of you take out your just book and mark it in that. First one, take a pencil in your hand, all of you children. Decomposers play an important role in dash of nutrients.
Recycling.
Recycling. R-E-C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Recycling. Herbs are found in the
Forest floor layer.
Herbs are found in the forest floor layer of the forest. Forests maintain a balance between the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases in the atmosphere. Overgrazing in forest may cause a decrease in soil fertility and an increase in soil erosion. Banyan is the national tree of India. Write true or false for the following. Forests depend on man for water and fertilizers.
False.
The plants and animals in a forest are not dependent on one another. False. Raw material needed for making paper is obtained from forest. Forests help in decreasing soil erosion. True. Forest plays an important role in maintaining the water cycle in nature. Now take the correct option. The layer of forest where intertwined branches of trees are found is known as canopy. Decomposers help in recycling of nutrients. Decomposers help in recycling of nutrients. An increase in cutting down of trees in forest will lead to an increase,
An
in
increase in
the
the amount of carbon dioxide in the air.
increase in the amount of carbon dioxide,
Carbon dioxide in
the tree that is thought of an immortal tree is the
Banyan tree.
banyan tree.
Banyan tree.
Banyan tree.
banyan. Don't say banyan, it is banyan. The tree that is often really referred to as the golden char tree is the amaltas tree.
Amalthas tree.
Amalthas tree.
Okay, all of you are marked.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Questions in D. Define the terms food chain and food web. Open to. Okay, you can do it from your keyword also.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
interdependence of plants and animals on each other for food forms a food chain. Interconnection of different food chains in nature is known as food web. Next, name the different layers of the forest. The different layers of forest are
Ma'am, forest floor layer, understory layer, canopy and emergent layer.
Emergent layer.
Layer, understory layer, canopy and emergent layer.
And the emergent layer.
you can take the help of page number 225. There the answer is forest floor layer, forest floor layer, understory layer, canopy and emergent layer. Then next question. All of you are marked, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the meaning of the term
Yes,
soil
ma'am.
erosion. Give the meaning of
The removal of the
term
topsoil is known as soil erosion.
The removal of the topsoil
The removal
by
of the
raising
topsoil.
winds, water, etc. is called soil erosion.
Yes, correct. But you can mark it also from the book. Those who are finding it difficult. Although it is the removal of the topmost layer of the soil is known as soil erosion. You can write it directly because appropriate, it is just given in a different way. So you will find it difficult to learn. Name 4 use. Have you written all of you? Sabka ho gaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
You will
ma'am.
write this.
Yes, ma'am.
The removal of the topmost layer of the soil is known as soil erosion. Name 4 useful products that are provided to us by the forest. You can write it on your own, like wood,
Yes, ma'am.
medicine, paper,
Ma'am, food,
Ma'am, timber.
oxygen, timber,
timber.
Oxygen.
You can write this question on your
Ma'am, paper.
yes.
Oxygen,
rubber.
And medicines.
Name any 4 trees that are common in the Indian subcontinent.
Banana,
banyan, ashoka,
Amalthas,
Ma'am, banyan.
amarthas,
Ashoka, amalthas, sal.
Name any 4 trees that are common in Indian subcontinent. Neem, Ashoka, Banyan and teak. Neem, Ashoka, Banyan, and teak. Then after that, answer the following question. Comment on the statement, early man began his life as a forest dweller. Page number 222. Mark it from there. Human beings, second paragraph. Page 222, second paragraph. Human beings began life on earth as forest dwellers. In early stages, they were food gatherers and dependent on the forest for all their needs, food, clothing, and shelter. They gradually became food growers, clearing small patches in forest to grow their food. They continue to depend on forest for their requirements in daily life. Have you marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How are the shapes of crown of trees and their location on earth related to each other? It is on page number 226. Come to the topic of crown of trees, second paragraph of that topic. The shape of the crowns of trees has a lot to do with where it is located. If a tree is located near the equator, the noontime sun is almost directly overhead all the year round. Tall trees with flat tree tops are very common in this part of the world because the flat shape helps expose more of their leaves to direct overhead sunlight. Then one more example. Next page. Up near the Arctic Circle, the sun is never directly overhead and is usually quite low in the sky. Trees in this part of the world tend to be cone-shaped like the pine trees. This helps the leaves from the top of the tree to its bottom to make the most of the available sunlight. Till there. Two examples you are given for this context.
Ma'am, please repeat.
You started from page number 226, second paragraph, the shape of the crown of the trees, and ended at the next page, the available sunlight. Here we have got two examples. Then, state any 5 points highlighting the importance of forest to mankind. Children, this is a very general question. Any 5 point which is given on page 227, you can mention in this answer. Anyone, any 5. Page 227. First 5 also you can take, or whatever you feel that you can learn very easily, you can take that. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Discuss in brief the likely consequences of deforestation. Page number 228. Consequences of deforestation, the carbon cycle. You don't have to write the complete paragraph. Forests act as a major carbon store. Carbon dioxide is taken up from the atmosphere by trees and plants and used for photosynthesis. When forests are cleared, carbon dioxide released in the form of CO2 gas. Okay, you write that like from here. When forests are cleared, this leads to an increase in atmospheric CO2 concentration. Once again, the carbon cycle. Forests act as a major carbon store. Carbon dioxide gas is taken up from the atmosphere by trees and plants and used for photosynthesis. When forests are cleared, this leads to an increase in the atmospheric CO2 concentration. Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next point,
Yes, ma'am.
the water cycle. Trees draw groundwater up through their roots and release it into the atmosphere through transpiration. With removal of a part of forest, the region cannot hold as much water. The effect of this could be a drier climate.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Trees draw groundwater through their roots and release it into the atmosphere through transpiration. With removal of a part of the forest, just leave that two lines. With removal of a part of the forest, the region cannot hold as much water. The effect of this could be a drier climate. The next next point, soil erosion. With the loss of protective cover of vegetation, more soil gets lost. Silting of water courses, lakes and dams. This occurs as a result of soil erosion. Extinction of species. The extinction of animals and plants depend on the forest. If the habitat of these species is destroyed, the number of species would also decline. Deforestation. The causes of deforestation are complex, but deforestation is one of the contributing factors. Till there. Sorry, it is desertification, children. Sorry, it is desertification. The causes of
Excuse me, ma'am.
desertification are complex, but deforestation is one of the contributing factors. Clear?
Ma'am, could you please repeat the points of carbon cycle?
Carbon cycle. Forests act as a major carbon store. Carbon dioxide gas is taken up from the atmosphere by trees and plants and used for photosynthesis. When forests are cleared, this leads to come down. This leads to an increase in the atmospheric CO2 concentration. Carbon dioxide gas is a major contributor of the greenhouse effect. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Extinction of species.
Pardon? Do you want any repetition? You just tell.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Now
E5.
next
Extinction
question.
of species.
Extinction of species. The extinction of animals and plants depend on the forest. If the habitat of these species is destroyed, the number of species would also decline. Now it's okay. Should I move?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How are eucalyptus tree, teak tree, and neem tree important for us? Children, although question may be asked about any of the trees, so as it is given in the question answer, we will write down about the particular tree only here in the question answer, but you have to know about all the trees. Eucalyptus tree, it is a tall evergreen tree. Eucalyptus is mainly used as the pulp wood in the manufacture of paper. Then teak tree, it is one of the most popular trees of India. It is mainly used in making furniture and doors. The bark, you can write it, it has also, teak has also medicinal value. Neem tree, It is popularly known as miracle tree. It also has good medicinal value. It also has good medicinal value. Now, children, this is your homework to be completed in your copy. As this was your last chapter of this session, so if the class will be there in the tomorrow, then we will revise it from tomorrow, or we will do it from the Monday online classes. We will revise the chapter one by one. So first of all, you all complete it.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
What
can
your
you
homework?
repeat the important line
Can
of
you repeat the points of
neem tree?
Eucalyptus. Yes.
eucalyptus
Raja.
tree?
Eucalyptus is a tall evergreen tree. Eucalyptus is mainly used as the pulp wood in the manufacture of the paper.
Ma'am, can you repeat the importance line of neem tree?
Say loudly, children. Which one
Ma'am,
you want?
can you repeat the important line of neem tree?
Neem tree. Okay. Neem tree is is popularly known as miracle tree. It also has good medicinal value. It also has good medicinal value. Now all of you have got the answers?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, homework is to, and first of all of you mark the rest of the hard words. Just mark it till I think page number 229 we had discussed yesterday. Hard words. The next hard words are in the next page, that is 230. Regenerates, incredible, immortal, medicinal, miracle, rehabilitating, coniferous, subdeciduous, worship, Buddhist, scriptures, foliage. Got it, all of you? So just quickly in your copy only, you note down your homework, complete the question answer, learn hard word, and revise chapter. Which chapter do you want me to revise first?
Ma'am, chapter number 12.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Chapter number 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Chapter two.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, light. Okay, we will start the revision. Your work is to go through the chapter and learn the important definition terms. And whatever queries you have, you will put your queries on that day. Clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Buddy, I'm just waiting for your. Okay. Thank you.